Welcome to the screencast where I'm going to show you the Flip Chromebook Stylus tools. So let me get out of full screen here. Okay, so down on your shelf, if you swipe up from the bottom, if you don't see your shelf, this is your shelf, this menu down at the bottom. You should have the Stylus tools right here that you can tap on with the Stylus pen in your hand. If those tools are not there, you can turn them on here in the menu area. Let me turn on this little menu feature. And I'm going to go up here into the settings, little gear. In the settings, you're going to go to the three-line menu and you're going to the device area. The device area is where the Stylus tools are kept. So again, I went to device, now Stylus. And you want to make sure that this little switch is on. If that's on, the tools should be there. Let's go over those tools really quick. Let me just tap to turn it off for a second. So when you tap your Stylus on that tool, you're choosing for the Stylus to do any of these things that are listed here. You saw me using laser pointer. When I choose laser pointer, you can see the shelf icon displays the laser pointer. So now anywhere I touch with the pen, it's a laser pointer. I can still use my finger and still touch, switch tabs. I'm using my finger to do that, but I can use the pen as a laser pointer. If you tap when it's in laser pointer mode, that button again, it switches back to Stylus. So just know that turning it off is just a simple tap on the shelf there. Other items in here, if you want to use a magnifying glass, this one's really handy. If you pull up a website or some text on screen, wherever you touch the Stylus to the screen is a giant magnifying glass. So that's great if you're leading your class. Other things in here are create note. This opens Google Keep, which on a touch screen interface with a stylus in hand works really well. You can scribble off a quick note using the stylus. If it loads, there we go. You get different pen tools up here at the top. If I just need to write something quick and save it, I can close that when I'm done. This saves to your Google Keep. If you're not familiar with Google Keep, it's a very simple and quick app for taking notes. So that is one for that. And then these other two are for capturing screenshots. So say I want to capture a region, I choose that. So now anywhere I draw a box just by clicking and dragging, that is going to capture a screenshot. You can see it appeared there in the bottom right. If I'm building something in a Google slide deck or a Google Doc, I can hit copy to clipboard and then paste that thing in really easily. If you miss that notification, when you do tap on your menu at the lower right, that notification is up here as well. So you can see it's right up here. So I could copy to clipboard from there as well. Or I can hit annotate image and actually draw over the image and save it. Works really nice with the stylus as well. And then the last one is just to capture the whole screen. Does the same thing as I just showed there. So if you ever need to mess with your stylus tool settings, there's a gear right here to do that. That just takes you back to that screen I was on earlier where you can adjust those for how you see fit. Those are the stylus tools. Thanks for watching.